Aave 50% ROI coming. What this means for those who invested, and is it too late to invest? Today we will be examining how the cryptocurrency Aave is currently doing and where they are in the charts. Aave falls under the lending and borrowing category mixed with Maker Comp. Right now they stand at 18 billion TBL, most of which is located on version 2. You can deposit any of their various assets on version 2, and these assets have various APYs, borrowing APRs, and in general, it is all very straightforward. Moving your coins in and out is extremely accessible with Aave. In a bull market, you sometimes expect that these numbers and rates would be a bit higher than a bear market, but then again, it is all based on supply and demand. Over time, these markets will become increasingly complex, but for now, it is incredibly straightforward. For example, if you deposit $1 in USDC, it will show up as $1 Aave USDC. If you look at the TVO for Aave over time, you can see it is at an all-time high right now. D5 Pulse has Aave at $12 billion, although this probably does not include all the versions and markets Aave has to offer. Despite this, Aave continues to push all-time highs. Some of this chart includes ETH price appreciation in addition to ETH deposits increasing. BTC deposits are way up, as are DIE deposits. Deposits all across the board are continuing to rise for Aave. Looking at Aave versus Comp and Maker, Aave holds a third of the deposits. In lending, it holds a little less than a third. In outstanding loans and market share, it is around 30%. All these numbers showcase that Aave is a relevant competitor. Examining transaction accounts for Aave, there are no massive increases or dips. It's relatively soft. In a quick look, you might assume that transactions are declining while the price is rising, but this will not matter too much. Looking at Google Trends, it is projecting that Aave will eventually return to an all-time high. Switching over to the half-year MA multiplier, it clearly shows that Aave is still in the bull market based on the grinding highs of the prices. Because of this, you will see a series of markup phases, bullish moves, followed by consolidations. Half-year MA stands at 1410, which will slowly rise over time, just as it has since 2020. This shows that Aave seems to be more bullish than bearish, which could be good news for those interested in investing in Aave. If you look at the 50 and the 200 cross on the daily, you will see it is still bullish with a focus on the grind around the 50. These led to a 7618 plus from high to low fib extension, and that's around 2K plus. If it continues to perform as it has, we could see it reaching 22K. Aave USD on the daily cloud flipped bullish over the past week, and the payoff to that is already in sight as it may retest all-time highs. The BTC pair shows something similar in the 200-day moving average, which clearly indicates that Aave is definitely not bearish, as it is above the cloud and the 200. On the Aave ETH pair, it is below the cloud and the 200, where the chart shows a continuous motion of increases and declines. It is getting an increasing amount of lower RSIs, with the lowest RSI occurring most recently. This may cause some people to wait on the sidelines to see where Aave is heading, while others might want to immediately invest because of its projected increases within the year. Whatever you want to do, it's important to do some significant research on cryptocurrencies like Aave. What do you think of Aave? Is it worth looking into and investing in? Is it better to wait and see if they increase or buy into Aave now? And do you believe that it could see such predicted substantial growth? Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and give us a like, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications and share this video with your friends. Goodbye, everyone.